Let me ask you a question.
What if you could delegate 70% of your repetitive work today without hiring anyone, without writing a single line of code, and without burning out? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use artificial intelligence to automate 3 core areas of your business: bookkeeping, customer service, and marketing. Whether you're a solopreneur, freelancer, small business owner, or even just curious about AI, what you're about to hear will change the way you work forever.
AI in bookkeeping. Let's start with the task that most entrepreneurs dread. Bookkeeping.
Yes, the endless spreadsheets, the receipts stuffed into drawers, the late-night panic before tax season. Bookkeeping is essential but often inefficient. That's where AI shines.
So, how does AI simplify bookkeeping?
AI-powered bookkeeping software can automatically track, categorize, reconcile, and analyze your financial transactions in real time.
Let me break it down.
Every time you make a transaction, say buying office supplies or receiving payment from a client, AI can
Fetch and sync the transaction from your bank.
Scan and interpret receipts using OCR, optical character recognition. Automatically categorize the transaction, like office expense or client payment.
Match it against invoices or bank statements. Flag any errors or duplicates.
And finally, generate real-time financial reports that help you make decisions.
All this without you lifting a finger after setup. Popular tools you can use.
QuickBooks Online plus QuickBooks AI, one of the most advanced and user-friendly tools. It integrates with your bank, your POS system, and your payroll tools.
Xero.
Great for international teams, offers automated reconciliation and real-time cash flow tracking. Zoho Books. It's part of the Zoho ecosystem and uses built-in AI to handle tax compliance and inventory. Dext specializes in scanning and extracting data from receipts and invoices. And here's the kicker. These tools don't just save time. They reduce costly human errors that often creep into manual accounting.
What happens when you automate bookkeeping?
You regain hours every month. You make better decisions because your data is clean in real time. You stay compliant with tax laws without scrambling at the last minute. One small business owner told me, "I used to spend 10 hours a month sorting receipts. Now I just snap a photo and move on. My books stay updated and I can finally sleep at night." So even if bookkeeping isn't sexy, it's one of the smartest areas to automate. Let's move on to the next: customer service. AI and customer service. We're living in an on-demand world. Customers want answers now, not in 24 hours. If you're running a business, you've probably answered the same questions over and over again. Where's my order? How do I reset my password? Can I speak to someone about pricing? And if you're responding manually to every single message, you're either exhausted or behind. AI-powered customer support. How AI transforms customer support. AI doesn't just reply faster, it replies better. Today's AI chatbots can understand context and tone using natural language processing, pull real-time data from your CRM or shipping tool, escalate complex issues to a human agent automatically, learn and improve with every conversation. That means fewer angry customers, more time for your team, and a better. Popular AI customer service tools. ChatGPT. API. You can fine-tune a GPT-powered assistant to answer FAQs or even complex support questions. Tidio. A user-friendly chatbot tool with automation flows that you can train with your product data. Intercom. Provides an AI bot with self-serve help and proactive support. Zendesk AI. Great for companies that already use Zendesk for tickets and email support. ManyChat, best for Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp marketing automation and service. Real-life example. Let's say a customer types, "Hi, I want to change my shipping address." Your AI chatbot can instantly verify the order, check if it's shipped, and if not, update the address in the system. Now, multiply that by 100 conversations per day. You're saving hours, improving accuracy, and your customers feel heard and supported. And here's another benefit. AI customer service tools never sleep. They work 24/7, even during holidays.
Key benefits of AI support: cut support costs by up to 80%, reduce response time from hours to seconds, increase customer satisfaction through consistent, accurate replies. This is no longer optional if your competitors are using AI and you're AI in marketing. And now, let's talk about the engine of any business: marketing. This is where AI really feels like magic. You probably spend hours each week brainstorming content, writing social media captions, designing email campaigns, or analyzing what's working. What if AI could do all of that? Let's explore how AI powers your marketing. AI tools can now write social media posts, blogs, ads, and product descriptions in your brand voice. Suggest headlines and hashtags that have a higher chance of engagement. Schedule your content across multiple platforms based on your audience behavior. Create personalized emails and segment your audience with behavior triggers. Analyze campaign performance and tell you what to do next time. This isn't the future. This is happening right now. Tools you can use: Jasper.ai, Copy.ai. Generate ad copy, blog intros, and social posts instantly. Canva AI. Auto-generate thumbnails, graphics, or even full presentations. Surfer SEO. MarketMuse. Helps you create content that ranks on Google. Buffer. Hootsuite with AI Assist. Plan and auto-post across Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, etc. MailChimp AI. HubSpot Marketing Hub. AI-generated email sequences with personalized timing and content. AI marketing workflow in 30 minutes. Let me give you a simple, real-world scenario. You want to launch a new product. Use Jasper to write your launch announcement email. Use Canva AI to design a professional flyer. Use Buffer AI to schedule social posts for the next 2 weeks. Use MailChimp AI to send segmented emails to customers based on past behavior. Finally, use Surfer SEO to optimize your landing page copy. That's an entire campaign. Concept to execution in under an hour. Why it works: you reach more people in less time with better targeted content, and you stay consistent without burnout. More leads, more conversions, more time for strategy. So here's the big idea. If you automate your bookkeeping, your customer support, and your marketing, you've just taken control of 3 of the most time-consuming and business-critical areas of your life. AI isn't here to replace you. It's here to assist you, to give you time back, reduce mental clutter, and help you scale with ease. You don't have to do everything at once. Start with 1. Try automating your receipt tracking this week. Or set up a chatbot for FAQs. Or schedule your next campaign using AI-generated copy. The results will speak for themselves. If you found this useful, subscribe to WorkWise Automation for weekly insights on using AI to get more done with less stress. And I'd love to hear from you. What task will you automate first? Drop a comment below. Remember, the future of work isn't just AI, it's you plus AI working together.